Nobody but you. We have finally arrived here in Ali's Log House. Kakonting aberya lang tayo kanina. I immediately ordered a coffee. So good. We are here in Buda. We are celebrating Mama Yoli's birthday. And we have a special guest. Our special guest is baby. So cute.
Manate Ben, lami yun, ay suma no? Sibog dali.
Friends, say hi.
Hello, Tita Carmi.
Mitchell. Meet the Bachelor of Davao City. Queen. And the boy is here. Hi. Hello, crew of Ali's Log House.
Welcome to
Buda!
Buda Best.
Ako may isa ka buwan. Nakasak. Kanaw ra gud sa i-post niya. Inang mercy oh.
Happy birthday to you.
We're here in the place of our friend Alice Lughouse. This is just located here in Buda, guys. This place can get so packed. There's a lot of people coming in and out of this place because they have really good food, really good views. As you can see in the back of me, we are standing at their rooftop right now. I'm beating everybody because I'm recording this video early in the morning. As you can see, the sun is hitting my face so hard right now. But yeah, they have a really good coffee. Their suman and chocolate is so good. Yeah, 5 stars for this place. I feel like I can't move forward with this channel without telling you why I stopped creating in almost 3 years. Before I walk away, I was all over the place. I guess wearing too many hats can slowly burn you out. I feel stuck and I wasn't growing. And honestly, I started to think I failed. I found myself in the void of silence. But sometimes, silence is where healing begins. I didn't fail. I just hit that pause button. I paused to breathe, to reflect, and to find my why again. And now, I'm back. Not perfect, not polished, but real, and more grounded than ever. If you're still here, thank you. It means more than you know. So let's start fresh, let's grow together, and this is just the beginning. Subscribe for more. We are walking by the road. It is actually 7:30 in the morning right now. Our mission is to buy plants. Yay! This is the wild monstera. Nagaduado daw mi rin niya. Wala mi dala kwarta. Waksa pong Gcash. Hello, Ate Mercy. Long time no see. Grabe kanindot diri sa inyo eh. Kapo kay diri oh, dako kayan trees. Oh, look at the trees. Trees are so tall. The trees are so tall. Sige. Apil na lang. One more.
This is Martin's place.
Oh, nice.
Asa ta karon pa?
This is Martin's place.
Oh, kamu na po.
Dr. Martin, you know Dr. Martin?
Kamu magtindog-tindog na lang.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello guys. Good morning guys.
Hi, doggy. Dini sila mamaak. Hi. Nagot sa man yung ginaluto diha. Uy, wow.
Hello guys, mag-macaroni tag
Friends natin. Oh, hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
Plin ba sa buwan? Ada plin sa parkinganan.
Oh. Ladagad kay gihatag sa Ate Mercy oh.
Tama na.
Napoy bitin diri te. Unsa mga bitin diri?